everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Archie and we are here in Calamba Laguna in Pansol, and we rented a resort behind the sea. That full entire house we rented for 2 days and 1 night. So mag-tour tayo inside. Tingnan natin yung interior ng bahay na to. This is my first time to be here. It's really looks amazing sa labas pa lang. Okay, so join me as we tour this. So it's a rainy Sunday morning. So on check-in time here is 2 p.m. and check-out is 12 p.m. So dito ang entrance. Kasama yan. All included. Ito ang entrance. Hello. Nakikiram lang ako ng pa. Thank you. Okay. Pwede ba tumaan dito? Thank you. Oh, pwede pa lang tumaan dito. Tingnan natin. So, dalawa yung way niya papasok sa villa. Isang tong way na to. Parang garden way. Malalabasan nyo ay yung hot spring, natural hot spring pool. Umuusok pa siya actually. Tapos facing natin ito na yung entire house. Andun yung kitchen, saloon, malaking saloon, then room sa taas, and then may room din sa baba, and one more room here. Ito hindi ko pa napupuntahan, so let's see kung ano itsura ng room dito. Medyo steep lang yung stair, so matarik yung stair, no? Sabi nila, this room is good for 1 person. So, nga. Okay, I don't think pang 1 person lang to. Could be for 3 to 4. So, maganda. So, maganda yung room. Look, laki yung bed. Good for 2 plus yung extra. Hindi ko na-expect dito yung kanilang services kompleto. May mga toiletries of step pa. So ilaw ano nangyari. So ito, look at the toilets. Kompleto rin sila toiletries, towels and everything. Parang siyang actually 5-star hotel eh. Parang yung service nila after may mga towels, clean towels. Maganda yung kisame, old style, diba? And then may mga cabinets din sila. Let's see. Wow, dito lahat ng stocks. So mga stock sila. I don't know kung may bayad ko. So maganda dito is kita mo yung view. This is the view from the outside. I'm using this. Yeah. Let's put it up. So you can see the street view. Okay. Yung nakita natin kanina sa labas. So ganoon din dito. May air condition. You can pull this thing up. So you can have a slow view going out and on the way back to the pool. So mas maganda siguro kung hindi natulan, but unfortunately it's raining today. But it will not stop us in vlogging this beautiful villa. So like I said, this is a natural hot spring pool. So mainit siya. It's like, wow! Probably 32 degrees yung temperature ng water. So, ito yung kanilang kitchen. So, we brought a lot of food. Abby, siya ang aming chef. Pero pwede mag-assist yung mga helper dito. So, kompleto na. May microwave, may oven, may blender, fridge. Lahat ng gamit pang kusina, meron sila. Ayun. Isa sa pinakamaganda siguro villa or resort na napasok na. I mean, we've been to many resort, Boracay, and any other well-known places dito sa Philippines. But this is one of the best. Meron na silang hot and cold water ready to be used anytime. May wifi. So, pwede kayong mag-breakfast dito sa labas. Hi, Alvin! Siyang BFF ko yan. So, overlooking yung Mount Makiling. Okay. Mount Makiling na yan. So, may daan dito. Hello, ate.
Opo.
So, dito din, no? Kung hindi umuulan, ang gandang tumambay dito. See? Ganda. May mga kutsyon daw yan. So, yun yung mga kutsyon niya. Nasa loob ng saloon. So, papasok tayo sa loob ng saloon. So, mag-tour tayo sa loob ng saloon. Excuse me. So, yun. So, kung dumaan tayo kanina sa Garden Way, dito ang ating pasok. Kung dumaan tayo dun sa hagdanan kanina, mamaya dadaan tayo dyan. Dito kayo babagsak. So, let's see. Daan na tayo dito. Yung pinaka main entrance nila. Para maikot natin maigi. So yung hagdanan, paikot. Paikot siya pababa. Hindi naman siya ganun ka-steep, pero kayang-kaya ito ng mga senior. Hello? Bump. Okay, so dito siya. Ito yung entrance kanina. Ano ate? So ito yung way kanina, siya tayo dumaan. And ito yung pinaka main entrance doon. So, yan. Spiral yung stairs pataas. So ito yung floor. Pwede mo siya sa keep it open kasi may mga helper tayo that comes goes in and out para mag-assist sa inyo. So this is the first room na makikita nyo. Okay, this is the first room. Yeah. So look, may mga old paintings pa sila. It's quite nice. Tingnan natin dito. See? Sa first room, meron na kagad double bed. One double bed. Two double beds so for 4 person na kagad yan. May safety box. And then, may view kayo. Street view. Ayan. Doon tayo nag-park. So, mainit. Tingnan ko yung sombrero ko. So, hot. So, see, merong pwedeng breakfast sa bed. No? Pwede kayong breakfast ng order na kayo. And, i-deliver nila sa inyo. One good meal. Para talagang 5-star. So this is the toilet. Shower. Of course, may magic tabo. Ito yung shower. Not bad. Kompleto talaga ng toiletries. Look. Kompleto sila. Nagdala pa kami. Pakahirap-hirap pa kami magdala. Clean towels. Clean toilets. No wash cover. See? bed. Impressive. Impressive ba? Na-impress ako talaga. Ang dinami-dami ng mga older houses, villas, private resort na tinignan ko sa Airbnb. I can say this is really the best one. And we made the right decision na kunin to. So, akatay uli. This is on the way going to the saloon. Yan. Tignan mo naman. Would you look at that, diba? Impressive talaga. Wow. Yung mga old style nung una, diba? Nung unang panahon. Diba parang... See? Yung mga old paintings, may air condition. Ganda, may 2 tables kagad. Yan ang view mo sa morning. Diba? Yung Christmas tree nila. That's the way going to the kitchen. And then another table here. And you can use all of the stuff here for us. They will help us to use those things if you need it inside. Lahat yan, pwede nyo gamitin. Lahat yan. See? Kompleto na. You don't need to bring your plates or cutleries, whatever. They all have it here. See? See, kompleto na. Kompleto na. Nagdala pa kami ng mga gamit. So may super toilet dito. This is the biggest toilet they have. The saloon. Saloon. And then they have this huge toilet shower. See, towels everywhere. Toiletries. Big mirrors. May way dito normally. Going up. Good. Pero they close it. Nice shower. So, now we are going to the top floor. Saan yung located yung another room. So, katuloy tayo. Let's go up. Mind your feet. Unang bubukas sa inyo is unang nyo makikita is this one. Hindi siya aking chair. Mukha na siya aking chair. But be careful because walang boundary. Walang protection yung the second floor. And would you look at that? Tignan nyo naman. So, pinwestohan na kagad ng kapatid ko si Abby. Kanya daw yung kama ngayon. Good choice, Abby. Breakfast in bed. Again, pwede. Anti-lamok. Very nice bed. May view kayo. Look. Garden view. This door should be locked. Oh! I didn't know this. There's a way going out from this place. Okay, so this way, I don't know. Okay. You can see the pool. Oh, there's another. Oh, I see. Yung catch basin niya, no? I think the hot spring is coming from this pipe. And then it's bringing the hot water down to the pool. So on that side. I see. Look how they build this house. Amazing. So andun ang okay. Let's explore. So, ito na yung babon. Oh, ito yung tanks. Water tanks nila. Plus, oh, would you look at that? Ano yun? May well. So, pero parang may access pa tayo dito. Sarado yung well. May net. So, medyo off-limit siguro yan. Pero yun yung view ng toilet. I remember, toilet yun. So, siguro dito, pwedeng gamitin yung before. Pero off-limits na ngayon. Nice. Ito yung mga bagging. Look at this. Ganda. Impressive talaga. We really made the right decision to rent this villa as cement as far as I can say. This is a villa. So huge. Look at this. Let's open the light, no? Hindi mo. Hindi naturo sa akin. So let's see. Nope. Nothing happened. Maybe this. Okay. Okay. What's that? Few of them. Okay. Meron. Maybe this one. Okay. Yeah. So everything is made out of wood. Parang na-remember ko yung napunta kami sa Sagada like 4 or 5 years ago. Ganito rin yung rent namin. One whole house made entirely of wood. That's amazing place also. So again, let's go down. This is the top floor. May TV dito. Again, may table. You can have your breakfast here. Look, what else can you ask? Except for the food. Diba? Food na lang kulang. Food. You go down. And let's see kung ano yung food. So yung mga helper, they're just here on standby. In case you needed them, just call them. And I think it's part of the entire payment that we made. And yeah, I forgot to mention that this entire house that we rented, I rented, and I did not pay a single money because of YouTube. Thank you, YouTube. So I saved all of the income from my YouTube and I paid this entire house for 1 night and 2 days. I paid 0 pesos, not even 1 peso. So thank you for all my subscribers. Thank you, family, YouTube family, for helping me and supporting me. Especially my number 1 fan, like Eunice Stark. Thank you so much for being here with me in my journey to my YouTube channel. Thank you again, and everyone who supported me, thank you so much. And I hope to see you again on part 2 of our adventure here in Calamba. See you guys.